perfectionism is fear in high heels. Okay? It's like that left brain lockdown. It's impossible. Because this is the thing that happens. When you're in left brain lockdown, and this is horrible, this happens to all of us. When you're in left brain lockdown and your inner critic comes around, right? And your inner critic is cruel. I mean, he is a total jerk. And he's going to tell you like all the things like, who do you think you are? You can't do that. I mean, this doubt and fear and just dealing in all the gross negative emotions and thoughts, and like it tells you things that you would never do. Well, your left brain, it says, tries to compensate by creating these unattainable, totally unattainable goals that are going to fix this, that will remedy the doubt, that will remedy all the horrible things that the inner critic is saying. No, there's no, the only remedy for the inner critic is, that's it. Just squish it like an ant. It's completely BS, and it's really actually just bad code. Our inner critic is things that we picked up along the way that got perverted.